After reading and analyzing the documents provided for us in Capstone 6, I chose to do my assignment based on the adaptation component of climate resilient pathways. According to the given documents, adaptation is the part of creating resilient pathways that focuses on tactics to help a community acknowledge problems and create ways to coincide with problems instead of trying to change them. Knowing this, for capstone number 6, I chose to discuss adaptation tactics in the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. When analyzing the climate threats to Ethiopia, I found that there are multiple, but the prominent two being soil erosion and land degradation. Together, these two factors cause soil in Ethiopia to be less fertile, which is extremely taxing on agriculture as a whole, punishing the nation's economy. Ethiopia is very vulnerable to these effects of climate change because it's a very poor country, making environmental episodes harder to recover from. According to the article that I found, if Ethiopia continues on the trend that it is following, pertaining to soil erosion and land degradation, by the year 2030, over 22 million acres of the country's land could be deforested. Luckily, the article discusses that there are several adaptation plans being installed to aid Ethiopia's environment. The article also states that Ethiopia received an $87 million grant that allowed them to implement strategies such as the Climate Resilient Green Economic Strategy that addresses the challenging effects of climate change that they are facing and helps to build a greener identity.